My daily routine. My daily routine. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I make my bed. I make my bed. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I get dressed. I get dressed. I brush my hair. I brush my hair. I go to school. I go to school. I go back home. I go back home. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I have a snack. I have a snack. I do my homework. I do my homework. I make dinner. I make dinner. I have dinner with my family. I have dinner with my family. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I watch TV. I watch TV. I go to bed at 9 every night. I go to bed at 9 every night.